Welcome to this tutorial on how to read Google Analytics 4 setup. Google Analytics 4 is the latest version of Google Analytics, a powerful tool that helps you understand your website or app's traffic, engagement, and conversion rates. In this guide, we will walk you through the process of setting up and reading Google Analytics 4. First, you need to create a Google Analytics 4 property. To do this, log into your Google Analytics account and click on the Admin button. Then, click on Create Property and follow the prompts to set up your new property. Make sure to select Google Analytics 4 as the property type. Once your property is set up, you will need to add a data stream. A data stream is a source of data that you want to collect, such as a website or app. To add a data stream, click on the Data Streams tab and then click on Add Stream. Select the type of data stream you want to add, such as a website or app, and follow the prompts to set it up. Now that you have set up your property and data stream, let's talk about how to read the data in Google Analytics 4. The Reports tab is where you will find all of your data. The reports are organized into categories, such as real-time, acquisition, engagement, and conversion. The real-time report shows you what is happening on your website or app right now, while the acquisition report shows you where your traffic is coming from. The engagement report shows you how users are interacting with your website or app, such as how long they are staying on your site and what pages they are viewing. The conversion report shows you how many users are completing a desired action, such as making a purchase or filling out a form. One of the key concepts in Google Analytics 4 is the idea of events. Events are actions that users take on your website or app, such as clicking a button or watching a video. You can set up events to track specific actions and then view the data in the Reports tab. Another important concept is the idea of parameters. Parameters are additional pieces of information that you can attach to an event, such as the category of a product or the location of a user. Parameters help you to get more detailed information about your users and their behavior. Best practices for using Google Analytics 4 include setting up clear and concise event names and parameters, using the Reports tab to regularly review your data, and using the insights you gain to make data-driven decisions about your website or app. In conclusion, reading Google Analytics 4 setup is a straightforward process that requires some basic knowledge of the platform. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can set up your property and data stream, and start reading your data in no time. Remember to use events and parameters to get more detailed information about your users, and to regularly review your data to make informed decisions about your website or app.